Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to work with text in Weebly. Whether you're building your first website or refining an existing one, mastering text editing is essential for creating professional and engaging content. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now direct your attention to the left menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to expand the menu, and underneath you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed. This will show you all the websites currently associated with your account. Choose the website you want to work on from the list. Once you've selected it, look to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to enter the website editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to customize every element of your site. You're now on the editor page of your website. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Make sure you're on the Build tab, as this is where you'll access all the design and content elements available in Weebly. On the left side menu, you'll notice various elements you can add to your site. Locate the text element, which is one of the most versatile tools for adding content. Simply click and drag this text element onto your website wherever you'd like it to appear. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to place content exactly where you need it. Once the text element is on your page, click on it to activate the editing mode. A text box will appear where you can input your desired text, type in your content, whether it's a heading, paragraph, or any other written material you want to display. Now let's explore the formatting options available to you. You'll see a toolbar that allows you to customize your text in multiple ways. You can make your text bold, italic, or underlined to emphasize important points. To adjust the text size, use the plus and minus icons, which let you increase or decrease the font size to fit your design needs. The toolbar also includes options for changing the font color, allowing you to match your brand or create visual contrast. If you want to add a link to your text, there's a dedicated button for that as well. You can also adjust text alignment, whether you want it left aligned, centered, or right aligned. For organizing lists, you have the option to add bullets or numeric lists, making your content more readable and structured. If you've made formatting changes you want to remove, there's a remove formatting option available. Additionally, the left and right arrow icons at the top of the toolbar function as undo and redo buttons, letting you easily revert or reapply recent changes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and format text in Weebly, giving you full control over your website's written content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.